Welcome to the Specialty Products Company installation video for the 81354 Audi Boot replacement kit. This replacement kit fits all the Specialty Products Audi and VW multi-link upper control arms. The kit includes 2 boots, 4 snap rings to service 2 control arms or one side. You will need 2 kits to service both front axles. The boot kits can be installed either on or off the car. Make sure the ball joints are clean and free of debris, and pack a small amount of high moly grease around the ball. Push the boot over the flange and make sure it seats in the retaining groove. Find the end of the snap ring and position it over the boot in the retaining groove. Using a small straight screwdriver, work the snap ring into the retaining groove, being careful not to damage the boot. Repeat the procedure with the small snap ring. Thank you for watching. For over 40 years, Specialty Products Company has been designing, testing, and manufacturing world-class alignment and suspension solutions. For more videos, visit us online at www.spc-tv.com.